Okay, here is the list of fractions. We have 5 different fractions are here. One of these fraction is not equivalent to 1/3. Which fraction? So it will not be equal to 1/3. Okay, let's see. 1/3. If I multiply by 3 this one, multiply by 3, it will be 3/9. So the first one we have. And the next one, so if I multiply by 5, it will be 5/15. So we have the second one. So let's see the third one. If I multiply by 7, seven over 21. So we have the next one. What about if I multiply by 15? So let me write here 15 times 1 over 15 times 3. So which is 15 out of 45. Okay, we have the last one. Look at, is there any number I can multiply both sides to get 9 out of 30? No, there is no. So 9 out of 30 is not equivalent to 1/3. So the answer is 9 out of 30.